My name's Tricia and I coordinate the Pub Lunch Club along with Carol Davey. And so we started it in January and we've had at least 40 people coming every time.
I've lived here quite a few years, and to see these people that you haven't met before, it's really exciting and very pleasant.
The Pub Lunch Club scheme exists to provide an opportunity to tackle social exclusion in rural communities, whereby we have a monthly lunch for the more mature end of the community, giving them a main course and a pudding plus tea or coffee for between £5 and £6. Oh, I think you've only got to see here in this venue the sort of impact that it actually has. Many of these people, through the Lunch Club, met people that they'd simply never met before, although they live in the same village. And now they're firm friends and they're becoming involved in other activities as a result of it. We have 10 lunch clubs so far, and that's ever expanding. And there's evidence that some of the people who come to lunch go back at different times during the week or at weekends in 2s and 3s. So it's new business for the pub as well, absolutely, yeah. All rural pubs are struggling in the current climate, and therefore any opportunity to put bums on seats and to repeat that in 2s and 3s is a real benefit to them, yes.